how to sell recycled metal art sculptures on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products. Let's see what do we have in here. It's just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. I need to show you an example. So here, these are the categories or the recommended categories for me, I guess. Then here, I'm going to choose one of these rings. Let's choose this one. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own shop page, exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product, and the video if you have one, how to add the price or how to enter the price for your product, how to enter the description, the options, how to enter the item details or the product details, and also how to enter the long description of the product. And last thing I'm going to show you is how to set the shipping and return policies that you want to go with. So let's just close this page. It was just an example. Then go to the main one, go to your top right, click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here you have 6 steps to go through in order to set your Etsy shop. The first one is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then you will stock your shop. Then you choose how you'll get paid. You set up the billing or the payment processors. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for me, I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So let's try to shorten the name, remove the spaces between words and the special characters if there is any. Then try to shorten the name to be between 4 and 20 characters. Let's remove recycled. And here, if the name is already taken, you can choose one of these options, or you can do what I like to do, which is adding a number to make the name unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here you add some photos and details about your item, fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here, before proceeding to adding the photos and details, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that you need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And here we have 4 fields. The photos, as you can see, you will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory, where you will need to enter the price for your product. Then we have the listing details. You will need to fill all of these red fields with the right information, of course. Then the same thing with the shipping. You will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15-second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So you start with the title. Here, just enter a good title for your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here just type your product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. So here I'm going to choose this one, and here choose the primary color of the product, the secondary color, and you choose the sustainability. You can select up to 3, and for the occasion you can choose one, the holiday, you can choose one as well. Then you have the renewal options. If you want to choose an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual, which is free. Then we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then here you enter, if you want to give your product a good description, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in here. If not, you can just close this one. Then for these 3, the section tags and materials, they are all optional, so let's just skip them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, make sure to give your product a good price. This is just an example, guys. Then you proceed to the shipping. So here, as I said in the beginning, make sure to turn all of these red fields white by entering the right information. For example, for the processing time, let's say 5 to 7 days. And you did the same with these other fields or these other red fields. Then we have the shipping and returns, the returns and exchanges policy. You can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.